interview, I think it was Ken Bundy did an interview with Aaron Surratt, and the main question was, why did we come up with this? And Steve Irby was wanting a way to simply get the soundstage out of the doors up onto the dash in almost any vehicle. And this is the easiest way to do that because of the mid-range and tweeter. So essentially you can run your door woofers as a mid-bass driver and then bring all the mid-range and treble up onto the dash, A-pillars, or wherever it is that it fits best. And so it's a great solution for a lot of vehicles. In fact, one of the best ways to use this product with a Key 204 is in biamp mode. You can actually run the factory door speakers and then add the Snowman pod up on the dash, put it in biamp mode, and then the Key will re-equalize the factory speakers to blend properly with the pod. So it's a great way to upgrade a sound system with minimal effort.
It's pretty impressive what it does too. So based on what it's hearing from the pink noise that's playing in your car, the amplifier can actually tell if it's the size of the speaker. So it knows if it's a 2 3/4 inch speaker, it knows if it's a tweeter, and it can make the crossover adjustment as necessary. I think the tweeter crossover is something like 4,500 hertz.
3.2.
3.2 kilohertz. And if it's a larger 320.
Yeah, 320. So like that right there, that 2 3/4 you've got next to you.
Oh, this, yes, yeah. So if you had this on the front instead of a tweeter, it would set the crossover to 320 hertz. If you have a tweeter, it would set it to, what did you say, 3.2?
Yeah, 3.2.
3.2 kilohertz.
At 24 dB per octave.
Yeah, so it's a pretty steep slope too.
So what that means is, if you're new to audio, the higher the per octave roll-off, it means the faster we're eliminating frequencies that you don't want. And so that helps to blend the speakers better. They can also handle more power because they're only seeing frequencies that they're designed to play.
Absolutely.